Good morning, good morning. Okay, we're doing another boiler install high efficiency from oil to liquid propane. Okay, so that's the boiler right there. We're gonna change out, and he wants to keep the wood boiler, so we're gonna pipe that out. So just in case if he ran out of propane, he still can use the wood boiler. Okay, this is gonna be another nice, interesting job. This is all our products here we're gonna be using. Okay, and you know what today? Obviously a snowstorm day. Look at what happened there. See? We're doing our work even in a snowstorm. I had to park my van all the way downhill because this road has never been plowed. So here's Raul. Good thing we have Raul here. He's strapped. We got a nice tire, 4-wheel. I got stuck down the hill over there. It's like half a mile down, so I had to park. Thank you to the fitness down there that was able to help us park there so we can do our work. But all the way down there, no way my two-wheel van could climb up here. Just no way. So thanks to Raul right there. This is the house. A lot of snow, maybe a foot of snow today, or actually maybe more. But a lot of snow. We're gonna do our work. So this is gonna be nice. Stay tuned for updates. Okay, so this is gonna be an Alta combi boiler. So he really needs to get rid of this oil because it's leaking. It's been old. See, he put jack in it. So gas from there, gas pipe go that way. Then knock off that pipe there. Vent will be back over there. So very good. It's just a one zone, so just simple basic one. But that's what we do. Keep them warm.